this video, we'll be sharing with you how to care for your human hair wig so it lasts as long as possible. Number 1, forget the heat. Yes, human hair wigs are more durable than fibre wigs when it comes to styling your wigs with heat products. However, to make the wig last as long as possible, try avoid heat as much as you can. Secondly, store your wig correctly. The best way to store your wig so it lasts as long as possible is out of direct sunlight, out of the heat and away from dust. Avoid sleeping in your wig and try store it as best as possible even after a busy day. Number 3, use the correct products on your wig. This includes washing your wig and styling your wig. At Joseph Wigs, we offer wig care kits so you can do all of this in the best way possible without damaging your wig. Number 4, styling. We always recommend getting your wig styled by professionals. This is to avoid damaging your wig or ruining it. Human hair wigs are a big investment, so you want to make sure they look as best as possible and the way you want them to look. Finally, number 5, maintenance. Human hair wigs are very different when it comes to synthetic wigs. They do require a lot more attention and a lot more care. This is because they are made out of real human hair, so you want to make sure they maintain that natural looking shine at all times. If you want any more advice or any help, don't hesitate to get in touch with us at Joseph Wigs. Or shop our products online and our wigs at josephwigs.com. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video.